welcome back to another video. This is another set I'm doing for a Charlie's Nail Art collab. I don't always film the sets that I do for these Charlie's Nail Art collabs because they are every week, and I think it would just get a bit much if I had one every week on my channel. So yeah, I don't always film them, but there are some sets that I do film, and this is one of them. The theme for this one was animal print. I think I've only ever done 2 animal print sets on my channel. One was a neon zebra print, and one was like a leopard print I did avatar style. It was like blue. So yeah, I'm quite excited for this one. I've swapped and swapped and changed my mind on what to do so many times, but I think I know what I'm going with now. So going to be quite a quick, easy one actually. Definitely quick. Right, I've just give these tips a quick base coat. I'm just going to stick this in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll get on with it. I'm so sorry throughout this video if you hear my smoke alarm beeping. I think the battery needs changing. It's been beeping since yesterday. So that's what that is. Right, I'm going to get them cured. Right, that's my base coat cured. All these nails need to be white, so I'm using my Yogi white. I'll give them all one coat, and I'll give them a second coat off camera. Right guys, that's them nails being cured. I forgot to press record. I've just given them a quick base coat. They've all had a quick base coat. I'm going to leave that base coat wet. What I'm using is, I'm using this hex mix from Charlie's, neon hex mix. I'm going to use some of the big hexes and some of the small hexes. I've actually took some out, all different colours, big ones, small ones, and put them in my tray. And I'm just going to start placing, I'm going to start with the yellow. We're going to do it like a rainbow across the nails. So I'm going to start with the yellow. I'll probably put some music on and let you watch because it's going to be a long one. So yeah, I'm going to start with the yellow. Start at the bottom of this nail. Right, so that's all my hexes on. I kind of wanted them starting down in the bottom left and going up across the nail. So I'm going to cure them in the lamp now for 30 seconds. Right, I'm going to give these a quick coat of base coat just to get these hexes encapsulated. I want these nails to be matte, but if I was to matte top coat straight over them hexes, it'd be a bit lumpy bumpy. So I'm just going to give them a generous layer of base coat. And then I'll cure that in the lamp, so I can just give them a file and a buff so they're nice and smooth. And then I'll get them matte top coated. I really don't know what's wrong with me today. I forgot to press record again. All I've done is give these a matte top coat. I'm just going to stick this in the lamp now for 30 seconds. Right, that's them all being matte top coated. What I'm going to do now is I've got some black gel paint and some clear acrylic. I'm going to turn these hexagons into leopard print. And I'm going to, because I want this matte as well, I'm going to pour the acrylic into these little black splodges that I'm going to do. So all I'm going to do on the big hexes, I'm just going to do some like letter C's, half moons, whatever you want to call them. They don't have to be perfect. Just to turn it into a bit of a leopard print. I'm going to do that around all the big ones. Right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle some of this clear acrylic into this black wet gel paint. Sprinkle it on, just leave it for a few seconds to soak in. And then if you see any shiny bits, just go over it again. And then I'm going to stick this in the lamp now for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to do the exact same on all the other nails. Right guys, that's them all done. I'm just going to use a duster brush now and just get off all that powder. Any loose acrylic powder that's still on there. Right, what I've got is, I've got this little pink bow to match this middle nail. I'm just going to use a little bit of rhinestone glue gel to stick that on this middle nail, and that'll be this set finished. Told you it was simple and easy, didn't I? Eh? Very quick. Well, it wasn't very quick actually, because there's quite a few elements to it. You've got to put the hexes on, then the black paint, then the acrylic. But it is definitely an easy set, definitely. If this was on your real nails, you'd need a lot more rhinestone glue than that. But we all know I'm a tight horse, and I'm going to take it back off. I don't know whether to put that bow at an angle like that or have it straight. I wish you guys could talk to me. Straight or at an angle? We'll do it straight. Hang on, let me just see it again at an angle. Yeah, we'll do it straight. Right, I'm just going to quickly cure that gel in the lamp for 30 seconds. And that is this set finished. Okie doke, there we go. That's that set finished. Do you know, I very nearly used Charlie's other hex mixes, the metallic ones. I was going to use a red, green, blue, pink, purple metallic ones. And I just thought, oh, we'll crack the neon ones out. Let's get the neon ones out. Do you think they'd look better in glossy, guys? or what? I'm not sure. But anyway, that is it for today. Very plain, aren't they? But I like them. I really like them. Yep, my 10% discount code for Charlie's is on the screen as always. The website link is in the description box. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with your notifications turned on so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.